Jazakumullah khair. The Muslim schools, they have made it the week before. They finished now with term holiday. Alhamdulillah. Naam.
So the question is about if one's right hand is greasy from eating food, can he or she use left hand to support the right hand to drink?
Okay. So what he's saying, this is maybe an Arab, right? He's eating with his right hand, and he's putting rice and meat's got fat in it, so you got now greasy. Okay. So I'm taking the glass of water. So the glass of water, he's saying, can I just make a support to it like this? Okay, with the left hand, because I don't want to touch it. And is that what he's saying?
Yes.
Can
use left hand to support the right.
Support the right. Yeah.
It should be like this. I think basically using the left hand, but just supporting
the other way
right
around. Okay, sir. Right. No, you are considered to be drinking from your left. Forget about it and make the cup with fat, no problem, inshallah. All right? Make the fat touch the problem. Why should you do that? Make the fat, inshallah. Cup, use another cup for the other person. Okay? Use that fat for you, no problem. We don't want to be fussy too much for that. Don't use the left unless you need to do so. No.
The next question is about